Hi, my name is Anna, and this year I went on Erasmus to Montpellier, France. This was the first time I was far from home, far from everything I knew. It was time to be completely independent, cook myself, cleaning, do the grocery, but it wasn't difficult at all. In fact, I like to be that independent. This is the IGA, the Institute of Human Genetics, or the place, how I like to name it. These are Zoe and Charlene, my team, and in my opinion, the best team I could ever have. Zoe was my supervisor during my internship, and Charlene, the boss from the team. I will always remember the day that Zoe explained to me what her project consists of and what it would consist of mine. Wait, mine? That I would have to develop a project? I was scared. It was the first time I'm doing something like this. I had to organize my own experiments and perform them, from writing the protocol until obtain the results. Also, I had to learn how to multitasking, but with time and her help, finally I could do all of that, and I am really happy with everything I learned and with how enriching this experience has been as a laboratory technician. Also, what I take from this experience is all the amazing people I have met. Let me introduce them to you. Zoe and Charlene, that I've already talked about them. Then the other people from the lab, Tristan, Pierre, Marisa, Nico, and Arnaud. With all these people, I've learned that life is not about thinking about the past or worry about the future, and that you need to enjoy all these moments, that you only live once, and as also Zoe said, this is a fast life and we need to enjoy it.